Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry. Welcome back to my Vlogmas series. I think we're on like day, what, 6 or 7? Something like that, whatever it is. Guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Ask me whatever. I am very transparent. And I just love communicating with you guys. So for those of you who are not new to my channel, what is good? Y'all already know what y'all supposed to do from here. As you guys can see by the title of this video, welcome to my new creator studio. Yes guys, yes, this is my new YouTube creator studio, my new home studio, whatever you guys want to call it. This is it, okay? I definitely upgraded from last year's YouTube studio where I had a 6-cube organizer and I had like some Christmas stuff in there for Vlogmas and had makeup in there. But guys, I had to get rid of it. I just felt like it was getting a little bit too messy, and I just felt like now that I'm a bit more into my YouTube career, I kind of have like a vision of like how I want things to be, and I want things more widespread. So let me give you guys a little tour. Oh my gosh. Can see from the little tour I gave you guys, I have my ring light in front of me along with a softbox, which kind of just illuminates the room a little bit more. I do actually have 2 soft boxes. However, I only use one because I figured that my ring light is bright enough. I am only recording in a corner of a space in my room, so I don't really feel like I need 2. But however, if I need to put up 2, I have the other one there to do so. And then behind me, guys, as you can see, I actually incorporated my window curtain as a part of the setup because it's not going anywhere. So I figured I'll use something that can kind of complement it. And it's white, so I felt like it pairs perfectly with the green backdrop. Now going back to my green backdrop, this is a glass wall. I will definitely link everything down below. This is faux grass or faux shrubs. I think it's called like hedgewood or box hedge or boxwood, something like that. I had to order a pack of 12 squares that are 20 by 20 inches, and I just put it alongside my wall. The reason why I put it like on the corner of the wall is because obviously like when I'm recording, I didn't want that there to be like a space right here. This is also an LED light, which I'm going to insert a picture of it when the lights are off. It actually is lit, but because the lights are on, you can't see it. However, I did learn that there are 2 different kinds of LED lights. There's one for outdoor and there's one for indoor. So the one that I purchased was a more inexpensive one. I paid almost $200 for it. And this is the one that bars usually use because it's dark in there, so you're able to see it. However, the other one that you can see in the daytime or when it's a well-lit room, it was gonna run me about like $500 to $600. So I was like, I'll sleep with this on at night and I can see it illuminate. For right now, we gonna keep it, you know, budget friendly. So I just got that one. Like I said, it is lit right now. Let me see. I do have the button hidden over here. You guys can't see it. You see that red thing? Yeah, it's on. Yeah, you can't see it, but whatever, that it is what it is. I did purchase this desk from IKEA. I forgot the name of the desk. Again, I'll link everything down below. I purchased this desk from IKEA. Has like a nice little glass on top. It is a laptop desk, so I do stick like my laptop and all the other gadgets in here. Because again, guys, this is my room, so I wanted everything to still be cohesive with my room. And then down here is a little organizer from IKEA. I literally condensed everything that was in my 6-cube organizer inside of here. It is a little hectic. It is a little packed in here, but listen, I made it work because I had to. Oh yeah, how rude of me. How could I forget to mention that I purchased my little Christmas home from Target. I wanted to kind of incorporate something in this Vlogmas series that kind of gives Christmas, and that was it. I do have to kind of consider myself to be like a minimalistic person, or at least I try to be. So like I didn't want to have like a whole bunch of things because quite frankly, I didn't feel like it was necessary. Let's get back to the equipment. So just like last year, I am still vlogging and recording all my videos on my Sony a5100. I'm going to link a video down to that down below. However, during this year, something that I have found out and learned about my camera is that I can use my phone as a monitor. And what I mean by that is I can basically, whatever I'm seeing on the camera right now, I can actually see on my phone. So let me pull it up. I have this app called the Imaging app. It is for Sony cameras, and I'm pretty sure you can use this for every Sony camera, not just the Sony a5100. So now what you would do is connect to the app, and here I am. Hi guys, can you see it? So as you can see, that's me recording live from Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah, I was trying to figure out how I can do this on my laptop, but I don't think that they have a software for laptops because I was going to just use my laptop as the monitor. I don't have like an HDMI cord or whatever to like connect to my laptop and like do it that way. So I was trying to see if I could do it the same way I do here. The only annoying part about doing it on my phone is that sometimes if my phone is not charged or like my phone will overheat if I'm recording for too long and stuff like that. So that's super annoying. But however, this comes in clutch, especially when I'm trying to take a thumbnail or whenever I'm trying to like take a selfie from afar. It's kind of hard when you have to like get up and try to capture the picture and then you gotta run back because then the camera auto focuses, but then you're like in the picture like, or it's getting blurry. So yeah, this is my new YouTube studio. I don't really have much more to say about it. I just feel like it was just pretty simple. I just put up the wood, the wood. I keep calling it wood. I put up the faux grass. I'm actually gonna have a video on how to do it yourself, how to put this up yourself. I ordered the light. I got a new table, and that was about it. All my equipment is the same from last year, and I'm pretty much content. I do notice that I have like a little thing now, like when it comes to December and it being my birthday and it becoming a new year. I just feel like I need to revamp, and I just feel like this is where my creative ideas really start to flow. So who knows, next year I might be in a different space. We're gonna talk that into existence, okay? But again guys, just to give you guys a little message for those of you who are starting a YouTube channel, for those of you who are in a YouTube channel but you feel stuck and you feel stagnant, just keep grinding, just keep going. You do not need the latest things to start. Again, I've been doing YouTube for some time now, like I think it's going on 5 years, maybe 4 or 5 years, and I'm not the most tech savvy person. As y'all know, I have the same one camera and I'm still learning things about this same one camera. I have the same ring light from last year, the same soft boxes from last year or 2 years ago. And you know, I'm just learning to work with what I have, and along the way, as I continue to learn about these things, then I will feel the need to, like, you know, invest in all these cool gadgets and stuff like that. But like I preached to y'all in my previous videos before, a nice sunlit room facing a window, using your cell phone that you're already paying a phone bill for, those are all great things to start with. A clear blank space in the corner of your room are all great places to start with. So I love you all. Welcome to my new creator studio. This video was super short. I expected it to be like 10 times longer. But if you guys have like any questions, please comment down in the comment section below. I will help you in any way I can. Don't forget to look in the description box to see where I purchased everything. I will have links for everything. And I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye.